Drug and alcohol signs and symptoms in the workplace. Colton King, SATC 230, Module 4 assignment. First drug is opiates. Physical indicators are weight loss, diarrhea, nausea and vomiting. Behavioral indicators are withdrawing socially and diminished coordination. Speech indicators are slowed and slurred speech. No interaction may be possible. Performance indicators are loss of balance and coordination, fatigue and drowsiness. And opiates are mostly pills, and some physical indicators may even be like needle marks, because you can inject them. Next drug is marijuana. The physical indicators are red in eye, which can be hidden with eye drops. There's a distinctive odor, kind of smells like a skunk. Irritating cough. Behavioral indicators are euphoria, overly relaxed, engaging in risky activities, and careless attitude. Speech indicators are slowed speech and sometimes difficulty speaking. Performance indicators are lack of motivation and decrease in performance itself. Next drug is cocaine. Physical indicators are runny or irritated nose, dilated pupils and visual impairment, and increasingly sweaty. Behavioral indicators are very talkative, false sense of confidence, and inclined to steal or deal. Speech indicators are they talk more than usual, and they possibly talk too fast to where you can't comprehend them. Performance indicators are isolation or withdrawal. Amphetamines is the next drug, and methamphetamines too. Physical indicators are dilated pupils, profuse sweating, rapid breathing, and behavioral indicators are panic and confusion. Speech indicators are they're overly talkative. Performance indicators, panic, inability to concentrate, and fatigue. The next drug, which is alcohol, which is a drug. The physical indicators, you can smell alcohol. They have a staggered walk and distinct behavior. Behavioral indicators, depression, agitation, anger, fatigue, avoidance. Speech indicators, they butcher it, they can't talk. Slowed and slurred speech. Performance indicators are loss of balance, sloppy posture. They seem very uncoordinated, and they have a slower reaction time. The next drug is PCP. Physical indicators are dilated pupils, muscle rigidity, jerky eye movement, profuse sweating, dizziness, and rapid heartbeat. Behavioral indicators is they have extreme mood shifts, severe agitation. They seem very confused. Speech indicators are talks of impossibilities. They have an altered reality. Performance indicators, they have a distorted reality, and they lose their balance. And that's my references. Thank you.